the scientific and logical proof of God, a cinematic journey from the Big Bang to the human cell.
Or were they created by nothing? Or were they the creators of themselves?
Or did they create the heavens and the earth? Rather, they are not certain.
Have those who disbelieved not considered that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity, and we separated them and made from water every living thing? Then will they not believe?
And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed we are its expander.
And it is He who created the night and the day and the sun and the moon. All heavenly bodies in an orbit are swimming.
And who created 7 heavens in layers. You do not see in the creation of the Most Merciful any inconsistency. So return your vision to the sky. Do you see any breaks?
Then return your vision twice again. Your vision will return to you humbled, while it is fatigued.
And we made the sky a protected ceiling, but they, from its signs, are turning away.
And certainly did we create man from an extract of clay.
Then we made the sperm drop into a clinging clot, and we made the clot into a lump of flesh, and we made from the lump bones, and we covered the bones with flesh. Then we developed him into another creation. So blessed is Allah, the best of creators.
Who created you, proportioned you, and balanced you? Yes, we are able even to proportion His fingertips.
We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves, until it becomes clear to them that it is the truth. But is it not sufficient concerning your Lord that He is over all things, a witness?
Then do they not look at the camels, how they are created?